G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're checking out the Neewer dimmable 176 LED video light for video recording. So without further ado, hit the like button and the subscribe button and let's get stuck into my video. Let's go. Now just quickly before we get into, it's just a quick unboxing and quick look at the light. I got this on Amazon for $49.99 and it also came with one battery and a battery charger. Link in the description down below. I'll put links for eBay and Amazon so you can pick them up if you want. Alright, here we go. First time I've ever bought anything off Amazon. Everything on Amazon in Australia is either really expensive or not really worth it. So this is a bit of a first for me. $100 wine voucher. Well, the missus will enjoy that. Alright, so here's what we get straight out of the box. The 176 LED light, the battery, and the battery USB charger, or USB battery charger. Just going to rip this straight open. Just quickly, on the specs here, high brightness, easy to install, long life, widely applicable, which I guess means you can use it wherever you want. Portable LED display, which is pretty handy. 176 bulbs, and there's some specs on the back there. So happy days. This is handy. So this can go on your hot shoe or your cold shoe mount on your camera system, which might come in handy depending on what I'm filming. If I'm filming some B-roll, this will definitely be used. I am glad I bought that. Next up, there's the 176 LED light system. Now it does look quite small. They always look bigger on the photos, just like a Big Mac. You know, you always think you're getting the biggest burger in the world and you end up with a burger smaller than the size of your hand. It's always the way. So anyway, that's how your hot shoe mount goes on. So that'll sit on top of your camera if you're going to use it on your camera. Here is our battery. I'll see if we've got any juice in it. This is a 2600 milliamp hour battery. No juice in the battery. Oh, there we go. We do have power. So there is some charge in it. Gee, that's pretty bright. So that was nice and easy. That's on 50%. Dial it down. Right down to 10%, which is nice and manageable in this situation. And then you can go right up to 99, which is too bright. But as you can see, if I'm doing some B-roll, I mean, that's pretty bright. I won't be using the full brightness for B-roll, that's for sure. And this can change the effect of your lighting. Well, I might just switch that off for a sec. So just to turn it on, you hold that button down. There you go. And to adjust the brightness, up and left or right, up and down. And to turn it off, you just hold that button down as well. And that gives it the orange glow. You can see there, a bit of an orange glow. Dial it down to 10%. That's nice and handy. Look, I enjoy that. I can go and get a battery charger or an AC adapter if I want, so I can plug it into the wall instead of using the battery, which is nice and handy. And I also get a clear bit of a diffuser as well, so there's the orange diffuser and then the mist diffuser, so that just takes the edge off some of that brightness. I'm going to play around and experiment with both of those. Now remember I said for me this was $49 on Amazon. If you live anywhere else in the world you'll probably get it for like $25 US, but for some reason Amazon just wants to screw us over, the Aussies, so it's going to be more expensive if you're in Australia, unless you buy it from eBay, you'll get it a lot cheaper. So I've got to say that because it's true. It's not true if you're in the US. Everything's cheaper if you're in the US, but for us here, we get stung, and we get stung bad. Right. Here is your charger. This goes into here, like so. This plugs into your computer or one of your phone sockets in the wall, and your battery charges up. And it's also got an LED panel on it, so you can see how charged or uncharged it is, which is pretty handy. Hit me up in the comments if you use a light similar to this. Will you be getting one? Let me know. I'm really excited to have this and to try it out. I do have a couple of big umbrella lights that I've been using since I started YouTube. Really low quality ones. The 2 umbrella lights I have cost half the price of this. So that's how low quality they are. So look, I'm going to try this out, and if I enjoy it, I might pick up another one or get another bigger one, and have I could have a key light, a fill light, and a hair light or something like that. We'll see how I go, but I'm excited to use it. So keep an eye out in my videos in the very near future of B-roll, nice and bright, no dim lights. That's it. Thank you for watching my video on the Neewer 176 LED light. I appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya!